Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload audio files in Canva. This is a great way to add voiceovers, music, or sound effects to your designs and videos. Let's get started. Now, on your Canva dashboard design, let's say this is your design and you want to add audio files. All we have to do is click on Uploads on the left side of your dashboard. Once we're here, we just need to click on Audio. Here, we can click on Audio Files. Now, we simply choose the files we want to upload. For example, we have a sample audio file. As you can see, it's an MP3 file. We just need to double-click that file and wait for it to upload. Once it's done, we can click on it so it will appear in our project. As you can see, it is now in your Canva project. And that's how we upload audio files in Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can make our designs more dynamic and engaging.